YouTube, I just wanted to bring you a quick video on some breaking Tesla news. After 6 months, Tesla finally introduced the long-range Model 3. Bad news, well, good news, it's lesser. It's around $47,000, but it comes with less range. Now Tesla's claiming 325 plus mile range. I'm not sure if they're doing that because in real world, you're not going to get 356 or 358 miles of range on the long range. So we'll see. Everything seems to be the same other than the price and the range. You can go ahead and check it out right now. I'll show you guys really quickly. If you want to order a long range right now. Okay, so here we're at Tesla's website. I'm going to go to order now. And as you can see right there, they have the Model 3 long range for $47,240. Now it says 325 plus mile range, still top speed of 145, and 0 to 60 in 4.2. So there you have it, guys. If you want to order it now you can. Peace out.